Hi guys, my name is Leif O'Connell. I work right here at Rowe Ford in Westbrook, Maine. We're right at 91 Main Street in Westbrook, and I'm about to show you the coolest feature everybody's asking about. It's Apple Carplay. Everybody's like, what is Apple Carplay? It actually allows you to communicate with family, relatives, without ever taking your eyes off the road in front of you. It's like an extra set of eyes while you're driving. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You just gotta make sure your charge cable's plugged into the USB. Make sure your phone's on. Your phone does have to be compatible. Once you plug that in, you'll get this disclaimer. You just hit continue, hit agree. You might want to let them know if you want assistance if you do get into a crash. And then all of a sudden you see this happen. This is your iPhone mirroring all your apps, everything to the head unit. I love it. You could actually check your text messages. You could go to maps and you could navigate anywhere just using your navigation from your phone to the screen. Super cool, automatically updates. But say you did have a trip to New Hampshire, you're driving on the highway, you're going 70 miles an hour, you could actually have Siri read you your text messages from your family, your friends, reply back to the text messages, call them back, all while having your eyes on the highway in front of you. Now that's important because it keeps you safe, your family safe, and who doesn't like that? Who doesn't like to be able to stay in constant communication with their coworkers, their family, their friends, all with the help of Siri and Apple CarPlay. If you guys did want to come down to Rowe Ford, I'd love to show you all about the Apple CarPlay and how it works and how it can benefit your lifestyle. Thank you for your time. Leif O'Connell down here at Rowe Ford.